guys, welcome to the shop. I'm Fred. So today we're going to finish off that shaft. I got it back in the lathe. We're going to drill it for a 1/4 bolt. And I did get some mail today from my buddy in Saskatoon, Chris McDonald. Just One Guy Metalworks. Check out his channel. He does some amazing things with this lathe. Check his shop out. He does some really nice work. I was amazed how he turned the gear on the lathe. Fantastic. Anyways, with that said, I'm working on the box. I just put a little weld on the inside to finish that off. Let's get to the lathe, drill that hole, get part of this thing together. I've got to do some finishing off on here with the grinder. I'll do that off camera. And yeah, it's going to be another short video. All right, hang in there. Guys, we're at the lathe. Let's drill this hole. This 1/4. We only have to go on about 1 inch. All right. All right, guys. Let's get a tap in there. I'm using one of those spiral taps. I thought I'd give them a whirl. I see some of the guys using them, and they do some really nice cutting. They expel the crap. So, all right, let's get this lubed up here. Alright, and we're just going to move back a little bit, get a wrench on there, and get her tapped out. You can see it shoots the pieces out. Nice. I like it. Let's shoot that in there one more time. Okay, we're good to go. Okay guys, I couldn't find a small washer, so I'm just going to take a piece of this round stock here, face it off, clean it, drill a little 1/4 inch hole in it, and then part off a piece. All right, hang in there. Let's get a drill in here. All right. Let me get that spot drilled and I'll bring you. As we're back, I got the parting tool in there. I'm just gonna make sure she's flush with the face of that. And just parting it off there. Cutting wheel. Okay, I'm just going to swap heads there and just chamfer the inside there. Back up here. There you have it. Lock her down again. Some more oil on there. Perfect. I was looking at lathes there, bigger lathes, and I really haven't got a clue which one to go with. I like those American Monarchs. They seem they're almost bulletproof, but finding one's really difficult. And how do you tell a good Taiwanese lathe from a bad one? I have no clue. My King here has been really good to me. Can't complain. But yeah, trying to find a good lathe. Like I said, I'm lost in space here. You know, they all have good features and stuff on them. And shit, oh, that's a little toasty. But you know. I have a big 15 horse phase converter, so I can put 600 volts up to 10 horsepower here. So, but just finding one. It's been I've been looking around, just kind of, you know, seeing what's out there. They're all pretty well made in Taiwan. I think a few of them made in China. But anyways, we'll get back to that later. All right, hang in there and let me just get that washer trimmed off, and we'll come back. Okay guys, we're back. All right, so I was going to put a C-clip on that shaft, but I made it exactly so it backs up against this bearing, so this washer will be sitting here. So let's just let's give this a little test fit here. Like I said, this is not going to be a heavy duty, you know, welding positioner. Very light duty. So you want to be able to carry it around from one place to the shop to the next. And let me grab an Allen key there. Now those sprockets will be inside here, and the motor will mount here and comes down. So that spacer is what goes there. Goes like that there. I got the carrier bearing in there, and then that gets mounted like that. Then that gear drive motor, worm drive motor gets mounted to that. So all right. Just see how this is fitting. Nice tight fit. Awesome. So it's flush with the bearing here. That's what I was hoping for. And
tighten it up. And that is super tight, nice and smooth. So that part of it's done. I got to dress up all these welds here a little bit. Just give them a little bit of a grinding, get the extra welding material out of there. All right, let me tap this in here. So that's that. That's another small thing done. All right, guys. I've got to make the brushes for the table. I haven't really figured out what I'm going to do here. I've been looking around, seeing how other guys have done it. I might put a standoff up here. A little piece of tubular metal between here. That'll secure it, and then I'll put an adjustment screw on this side and put a little cable here. And I have one of those, hang on here. One of those 300 amp mag switch. So what it does is you put it down, turn it, and it sends the current through the body, out through a cable, and the cable will go through here. So yeah, it's magnetic. It's kind of cool. Got a couple of these at work. Works really good. If you're in a hard position, you can't get something sitting properly. So yeah, so let me work on this. Let me see if I can get this pressed in here tonight. All right, hang in there. Okay, guys, I decided what I'm going to do is, it's in there. What I'm going to do is put a weld around there as well, and then put it in the lathe, and then you just clean it up. I just don't want that thing ever popping out. All right. I need a bigger clamp. Alright. I'm going to clamp a piece of metal on there just to keep it 100% from moving around. That'll work. Alright. Hang in there, guys. A few tacks and then all around her. spin her on the lathe to make sure she's 100% straight before I go any further. All right, hang in there. Okay guys, we're back. So I'm at about 5 thou on one little spot here. Right here, so I'm not worried about it. All right, let's get on with it. Okay, that's it. That works. Alright. Let me put her in there again and see how much I'm out by. Alright, hang in there. Okay guys, so yeah, slight little bit of deflection, about 5 thou. But she looks good. Turns nice. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make the ground bars. So if anybody's got any ideas, send them on through. I think I'm going to call that it for today. And again, very short video. All right, hang in there. Okay guys, we're back. So what I need to do is figure out, tap this in. Tap that in with the mallet, wherever it is. Oh, it's over there. Hang on, give me a second here. How we're going to make these ground rods sit on here is the next thing. Trying to figure that out. So I'm going to get some paper and, like I said, maybe put a little standoff so they kind of sit apart like that with a bar that's welded to here. That gets bolted to the bar, and then an adjustment bolt on the other end. I've got more of this copper. I've got a big piece of that copper plate. It's a piece of bus bar that my electrician buddy gave me. So yeah, so that's the next thing. If anybody's got any ideas how I can do that, that'd be great. But yeah, we'll figure it out together. So, all right, guys, that's about it for today. All right, you guys hang in there. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to all my old subscribers for hanging in there with me. You guys have a great day. Bye for now.